In today's video, I will teach you how to remove wrinkles using Lightroom. Let's get started. Lightroom offers a subtle and effective way to smooth out wrinkles in portraits while maintaining a natural look. First, open Lightroom and import the portrait that you want to edit. Then navigate to the Develop module. Now use the Zoom tool to focus on the areas of the face with wrinkles. This allows for more precise editing. Now select the Healing Brush tool or simply press Q on your keyboard. Now choose Clone or Heal from the options. Clone directly copies pixels from one area to another, and the Heal option blends the texture and tone with the surrounding area for a more natural look. Now we're going to adjust the brush settings. Set the brush size slightly larger than the wrinkle. Then increase the feathering for smooth transitions between the edited and unedited areas. Then lower the opacity around 50 to 70% to maintain some of the natural texture and to avoid overly smooth appearance. Now click and drag over the wrinkle to apply the brush. Lightroom will automatically select the source area, but you can manually adjust it if needed for better results. Then repeat this for each wrinkle, adjusting the brush size and opacity as necessary. Now we're going to fine-tune with the adjustment brush. Select the adjustment brush or simply press K on your keyboard. Then apply the brush to the areas with wrinkles, focusing on blending the skin texture smoothly. Then use the texture and clarity sliders. Reduce the texture slightly to soften the skin. Then decrease the clarity to further smooth the appearance of wrinkles. You also have to ensure the brush settings like size, feather, and flow are appropriate for the area that you're working on. In the Detail panel, use the Luminance slider under Noise Reduction to smooth out the skin further. This helps reduce minor imperfections without losing too much detail. Now press the backslash key to toggle between the before and after views, ensuring the edits look natural. Oversmoothing can result in a natural look, so aim to soften wrinkles rather than eliminate them entirely. And ensure to preserve some skin texture to avoid a plastic-like appearance. And make sure to also apply small adjustments incrementally for better control over the final look. By using Lightroom's healing brush and adjustment brush options, you can effectively reduce the appearance of wrinkles while maintaining a natural and flattering portrait. This approach allows you to subtly enhance your photos without over-editing. And you're done! If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.